Morning, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. It's another gorgeous day here in Washington State. Got a little bit of a busy day on my hands today. So, pretty much ever since I got back from the trip, I haven't been fishing, really. I went to a lake in Tahuya once, and other than that, I haven't been fishing. Been in a bit of a slump, to be honest. Trying to get out of it, but I'm starting today by cleaning the kayak out, organizing my fishing gear. I think that's a sensible place to start. Everything is pretty much disorganized from the trip. Um, that was like 2.5 weeks ago. Good lord. Yeah. So let's get to it without further ado. It's just going to be a hang around the house, get stuff done type of vlog day. So here we go. Already went for a cruise in the Mustang. Gotta go out and put gas in it later. I need to clean out the Civic. I got a lot to do, so hang in there. We'll do a little fall EDC update as well. So, alright, let's get to it. First thing I'm going to do is clean the yak out. Alright, there was a little more water in the yak than I expected. I guess it has been raining quite a bit. Yeah, so I got her cleaned out. For the most part. Don't mind the leaves. Got that airing out. Alright, let's get to the Civic. So I need to get all my fishing gear out of here and retie anything that needs to be retied. Got a leader knot that needs to be redone on my wacky rig setup. Oh, what else? Yeah, just a lot of organization. Try to make this interesting for you guys. Alright, that's going to wrap it up for this portion of the video. Next thing I got to do is, don't know, get back to you. Alright, it's been a little while, actually quite a while. Just kind of busy with stuff and didn't pick up the camera. Didn't think it was too interesting. So yeah, you can see there's a big mess behind me. I've been sorting through and throwing away stuff. So I've gotten done with this side, got it all squared away. Just gotta start working on this stuff. And the old mountain bike, which is still in really good shape for as old as it is. I got that thing when I first moved here in 2011, and it's still in pretty damn good shape. It's a Rally Talus 4.0. Yeah, it's been a really good bike. Somehow I managed not to warp the rims on it. You can ask my buddy Mike. I don't have the best choice when it comes to riding line. I just kind of go for what looks good and pray for the best. It's led to many a pinch flats, but yeah, haven't bent the rims out on this bike yet. So not only am I trying to get this space cleared out and habitable again, I'm also trying to get this bench sanded down some. It's looking really rough and it needs to get sanded down. So I've got some 60 grit pads on here. It's a pretty good little orbital sander. It's a Craftsman. You know, it's decent. I had a Ryobi before, but orbital sander's an orbital sander. I don't know. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, I am done working out here. I'm going to get those trash cans down, out of the way, and we'll do a fall EDC update. How's that? So, stay tuned. Hey guys, it's later on in the evening. Just finished making some dinner, and thought I'd round out this video by doing my fall EDC update. So let's get into it. I noticed something a little different. I shaved my mustache, or what you call a mustache, I guess. Was trimming it up and sort of messed it up, so figured I'd just take the rest of it off. And I kind of like the way it looks. So, alright, let's get right into it. So, fall is here. As much as I don't like fall in winter, it's upon us. So, things have changed a tiny bit in my EDC. We'll start top to bottom. So we got sunglasses. Those are still a thing. Made by a company called SunCloud. Really good polarized glasses. Great for fishing. Next up, I guess, my keys to the Mustang at this current moment. Next up, we've got my wallet. Same wallet I always carry. Yeah, just a simple bifold. Got my phone. This is a Galaxy A51. Takes really good photos and video, slow motion, all that kind of stuff. So I use it sometimes. In addition to the other cameras for content. On to the multi-tool. Leatherman Free T4. This thing is a beast. It gets used every single day. And that's not an exaggeration. I love that thing. I did a video on it. If you want to check that video out, you can check it out up here. Alright, next up I guess is my pocket knife, and this is what's changed lately. So I have been carrying the Spyderco Para 3 for the past few months. It's a really nice knife. It's pretty light, it's pretty compact, and it's just a beast. I love it. But things have changed. The weather's changing, so I find myself wearing jeans more than shorts, which means I'm more apt to carry a larger knife. I prefer to carry as large a knife as I can comfortably. So here's what we got. The good old trusty Benchmade Griptilian. This is the combo edge. Not the edge I originally wanted, but I really love it for what this knife is for. Got the festive orange on black for the fall. Had to get a little festive with it. Had to embrace the fall season a little bit, but I tell you, spring and summer are where it's at for me. I know the fishing can be great in the fall, but anyways, I'm getting off topic here. Back to the EDC, back to the Griptilian. This thing makes an amazing noise when you open it right. And this is my hard use knife. This probably has the most miles on it out of any of my nicer knives. You can see the pocket clip has plenty of wear and tear on it. As does the blade. It's got some character marks on it. But I put this thing through hell. I especially put it through I especially put it through its paces when I was building that fence on the property that runs behind me. You can't see it because I got the door to this enclosure closed right now, but yeah, I used it quite a bit, and the S30V is just a great steel. It holds an edge. It's great. Good knife. So I just found myself carrying it more and more lately, and it's sort of what's stuck in my pocket. At least until we really start getting into winter, and then I'm probably going to rotate on to my Benchmade Freak, which is another one of my favorite knives that I own. Yeah, so I think that does it for my everyday carry. Yeah, interesting time of year for fishing and everything else, I guess. Not my favorite time of year, like I said, but I'm trying to embrace it as best I can. Been in a bit of a slump lately. As you can tell, I haven't been putting out much new fishing content ever since I got back from Eastern Washington. Just haven't had a lot of motivation, and finally today I got the motivation to get the yak loaded, and as you saw in the video, this whole vlog that we did today, I got the yak cleaned out, loaded up, ready to go. I'm heading out in the morning, and I'm going to put a video together for you guys. So thanks for the continued support in the channel. As always, see you on the next one.